Hi guys! After adding a bundle of products to your Shopify store, you are eager to launch it, aren't you? In this video, we'll go through the steps you need before launch. Make sure to watch until the end to make your online business take off. Let's get started! Step 1. Add product collections. Apart from tags, you can classify different products by using collections. Go to Products, Collections. You can view all collections you've created, as well as the conditions. To create new collections, click Create Collection. Enter a title and choose a collection type. To avoid adding products to a collection manually, you'd better create an automated collection by setting up conditions. Generally, to create product subcategories, use keywords in the product title and tags. Next, click Save and the collection will appear immediately in the list. To display it in the top navigation menu, go to Online Store, Navigation, and choose Main Menu. Click Add Menu Item, enter the name, choose a link, and click Add. Then, click on the button next to the title and drag the item to an appropriate position under a primary category. Step 2. Improve store design. It's important to inspect the design of all kinds of pages. Let's see what we can do with the default theme, Thong. Click Customize to design the home page. Header is where you can put your business logo and main menu. Products and promotions can be featured in the image banner. If you have neither a business logo nor a goods banner, consider using Canva to create them as soon as possible. Next, add a slogan below so people can know what you offer right away. As for featured collection, make sure to offer products with high-quality photos. You might also include deals to attract people looking for bargains. It's recommended to use blog posts to provide curated content to your target audience. One of the best practices is to write buying guides because they can help to improve SEO. The product page also matters. This is because only after people learn about a certain product will they make a purchase. Therefore, make sure that all product information is accurate and properly displayed. If you don't like the default product page design, you may consider modifying it. Let's assume I want to change the layout of images and put the description below them. I can go to the settings of product information and choose thumbnail or thumbnail carousel in place of text. Then choose Create Template from the drop-down menu to create a new template based on the default one. Next, hide the description in the product information section. Add a custom liquid section below. Copy and paste the code for the product description to be shown. Click Save and you can see it right away. The final step is to assign products to the template. You can do so one by one or in bulk. Just go to Products, choose a product and edit Theme template. The other way is to choose all products whose templates need to be changed. Click Edit Products, then Add Views, choose Template to edit information. Don't forget to examine the design of the other pages. Step 3. Set up Google Analytics. Adding Google Analytics to your Shopify store will enable you to track users' interaction with your website content and get as many detailed custom reports as you want. Before the setup, you need to pay for a Shopify plan. What's more, instead of using the existing domain name with the suffix of myshopify.com, you might choose to buy a new domain to look more professional. Don't forget to go through the verification process. Then you're good to go. Open admin of your Google Analytics account. choose Create an Account. Enter the name and click Next. Then, enter the property name, choose Show Advanced Options. Create a Universal Analytics property. Enter your website URL. Select Create a Universal Analytics property only and click Next to move on. Provide more details about your business to Google and click Create. Accept the Terms of Service agreement and you can get the tracking ID and code that you need. Go back to your Shopify store, choose Online Store, Preferences, and scroll down the page a little bit. Copy and paste the code to the Google Analytics settings of your Shopify store, and the tracking ID will be recognized automatically. Then, paste the code again and enable Enhanced E-commerce. Now you need to test the connection by removing the password of your Shopify store so that you can send test traffic to it. Finally, go to e-commerce settings to enable e-commerce and enhance e-commerce reporting and save the settings. Step 4. Set up policies. To make your website look more legitimate, you should have a sound refund policy, a privacy policy, and terms of service. Luckily, Shopify makes it extremely convenient for you to create these policies. You just need to click Create from Template, check the contents, and save them. As for the shipping policy, you can clarify the warehouse locations, estimated delivery time, and shipping rates after setting up shipping and delivery. Step 5. Configure locations and taxes. Provided that you've completed the setup, Shopify can help you to collect sales taxes. Generally, taxes associated with locations of your business. It's better consult a tax accountant in your area to verify everything. Step 6. Remove Powered by Shopify message. Powered by Shopify message generally appears in the footer of your store or on your website's password page. Go to Themes, click Actions, and choose Edit Languages. Then, search for Powered. To remove the text in the footer, tap a single space to remove it completely or change it into what you'd like to see. Similarly, for the text on your password page, you can choose to delete or replace it. Guys, that's basically all you need to make your Shopify store go live after adding enough products. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. If you think this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Stay tuned!